good.
How old is the Enkei? Is that 4 or 5?
Oh. That sucks.
Oh!
Do we have a sacrificial socket?
In the arms of the angel, fly
Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. It is day 2 of tearing apart the new TSX Champ endurance car, whatever you want to call it. Here we are. We left off the other day. Pretty much with it in this condition. We got a little bit more sound deadening to remove, so we got some more dry ice. And then today's goal is to remove the engine and trans and get all the suspension off. We'll spend a few hours removing the engine and trans, and then we'll go from there and probably clean up the engine bay because it's really dirty. It's going to require some scrubbing, but with 4 bodies it shouldn't be too bad. Tiny update. Knuckles are out. Gotta pull the axles out as soon as we get the car up a little bit. And then of course the engine and trans will get, I have to lift it up rather than drop it since we're on a 4-post. Pete and I are working on the rear. We're gonna be dropping this entire subframe. This rear subframe actually cradles the fuel tank, so we're gonna have to disconnect the fuel tank from here and the filler neck. And then just any other miscellaneous lines or connectors and harnesses that we're gonna have to get off, and this will all come down as one piece. Motors out. Look at all this room.
Yeah.
All right. Get the rear subframe drop, like I said, it cradles the fuel tank. We just gotta remove the struts. I almost had that on camera. Oh, I just... I missed it.
That's a rotor?
Yeah.
Caught it? Yeah. Holy shit.
It popped out, he caught
Spidey
it.
move.
Yeah, since we got a 4-post, this makes it a little bit difficult to do this job, but we're making do with it, so pull the struts off, and then we could slide the rear subframe out.
How old is the Enkei? Is that 4 or 5?
That sucks.
Oh!
Do we have a sacrificial socket?
Yeah.
That really sucks, huh?
I mean, you can get it out, but you're gonna have to plasma cut this to access it. I mean, the bolt, this will still drop, but more of a fragile.
Did the bolt break?
Yeah, the fucking bolt broke, dude.
Oh, both of them broke.
No, one of them, just one.
Last update of this video, front subframe is out. We did end up breaking this bolt right here. So it's broken in there. Kyle's got to do his magic and get that bolt out of there. What he said was, what, you're gonna just get access to it, cut the welded nut
cut all
out.
the spot welds out, unfold it, and then just grind that weld nut off.
So there's that, and then of course we're gonna be powder coating the subframes to get them looking nice because they are very rusty. This one, I say they because this the front and the rear back there, but the car is like stripped. So knuckles, suspension, everything's out. Fuel tank is out because the rear subframe cradles it. This is gonna get stripped out, refinished as well. What is this thing?
I don't know. I have no fucking idea what this is, bro. I'll do it later. So unfortunately, when Charlie and I were pulling that front subframe, we lost a bolt to the chassis here.
4.5.
Broke off in the mount right here. This used to look like this one. So this one came out all right. It wasn't as bad. This one snapped off. Pretty big bolt too that snapped off. So to fix that, we have to basically replace this whole piece. It's not just an easy weld nut, it's this whole machine piece and all these bent brackets. So we cut this out, cut out all the spot welds, grinded a bunch of spot welds, got this piece out finally, and now we're gonna have to remake this. So kind of an inconvenience, but not a huge deal. It's definitely something we can fix.
Hey guys, in this TSX series you guys are going to see little differences in the way the video is shot. I live in Chicago and this car is 6 hours away in Minnesota, so I'm not going to be there for every second of this build. Thankfully the other members are willing to be not just in front of the camera but also behind it. So you guys are going to see footage from some of the other guys. I might not even be in some of these videos, but just know that I'll still be the one editing the videos. It might be a little bit different in how it's shot, what you see, what you don't see, but at the end of the day it should still feel like you're watching a Bvspeed video. But that's pretty much going to do it for this video. So if you guys liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to stay up to date with this new TSX race car that we are all so excited for, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, go ahead and put them down in the comment section down below and we'll do the best to try to answer them. Until next time, stay safe, stay smooth. We'll see you in the next video.